Welcome to our channel, the best drones of 2025. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, hobbyist, or just looking for the perfect gadget to capture stunning aerial shots, we've got you covered. From high-tech features to budget-friendly pics, we'll break down the top drones you need to know about this year. So buckle up and let's dive into the skies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Number 6. The DJI NEO 3 battery combo is a compact powerhouse designed for beginner and casual drone enthusiasts. Weighing just 135 grams, it's regulation-friendly and ultra-portable, perfect for spontaneous adventures. The standout feature is its controller-free operation with palm takeoff and landing, making it incredibly user-friendly. Captures stunning 4K UHD stabilized footage effortlessly, even in windy conditions, thanks to DJI's advanced stabilization technology. With AI subject tracking and quick shots, creating professional quality vlogs becomes a breeze. The drone also offers flexible control options, including voice commands, a mobile app, and RC, making it versatile for various flying preferences. The 3-battery combo extends flight time to 54 minutes, ensuring you capture all the moments without interruption. Full coverage propeller guards provide added protection, making it safe for indoor and dynamic outdoor flights. While the battery duration may not be the longest, it's sufficient for quick, high-quality clips. Overall, the DJI NEO is a budget-friendly, easy-to-use drone that excels in portability and convenience, ideal for hobbyists and travelers seeking quick, hassle-free aerial footage. Number 5. The Holy Stone HS900 GPS drone is a lightweight, feature-rich option perfect for intermediate drone enthusiasts seeking high-quality footage without FAA registration hassles. Weighing just 249 grams, it offers portability and compliance while still packing a punch. The 48-megapixel 4K camera with a Sony 1/2.23-inch CMOS sensor and f2.6 aperture captures stunning photos and smooth 4K at 30 FPS videos. Its 3-axis brushless gimbal ensures stable footage even in windy conditions, with a level 5 wind resistance rating. This makes it ideal for outdoor shoots in challenging environments. Thanks to an impressive 20,000-foot transmission range, the HS900 allows long-range flights without connectivity issues. The Quick Shots feature simplifies capturing dynamic videos, while visual tracking and GPS-assisted auto-return functions provide effortless control and safe flying. Charging is fast, taking just over an hour for the modular battery, ensuring minimal downtime between flights. The app's easy filming templates and OTA firmware updates further enhance the user experience. Despite a reported issue with fuselage cracks near the battery compartment, the HS900 delivers exceptional performance, rivaling pricier drones with smooth handling, remarkable stability, and pro-level imaging capabilities. Number 4. The DJI Avata 2 Fly More combo offers an exhilarating FPV drone experience tailored for both newcomers and seasoned flyers. Equipped with a 155-degree field of view 4K camera, it delivers stunning wide-angle footage at up to 4K at 60 FPS and supports 4K at 100 FPS slow-motion video, perfect for immersive content creation. What sets this drone apart is the intuitive motion control system, allowing users to steer the drone with simple hand movements rather than complex buttons. This makes it easy for beginners to perform advanced maneuvers like flips, rolls, and drifts. The built-in propeller guards enhance durability, reducing crash concerns when flying near obstacles. The combo includes 3 intelligent batteries, DJI Goggles 3, and the RC Motion 3 controller, offering extended flying time and immersive visual feedback. With rock-steady and horizon-steady stabilization, footage remains smooth even during high-speed flights or complex maneuvers. FAA Remote ID compliance ensures regulation-friendly flying, while DJI Care provides additional peace of mind for accidental damage. Though it's a premium investment, the Avata 2's robust features, user-friendly controls, and cinematic footage capabilities make it an excellent choice for those diving into FPV drone flying. Links in the description. Number 3. The Ruko F11Pro 2 drone offers an impressive blend of advanced features, exceptional performance, and user-friendly controls, making it a standout choice for drone enthusiasts of all levels. Equipped with a 6K camera featuring a premium Sony lens and 4K at 30 FPS video capabilities, it captures stunningly detailed images and vibrant footage, perfect for both casual and professional content creation. Stability is a highlight thanks to the 3-axis brushless gimbal, which ensures smooth and steady shots even in windy conditions. The 70-minute total flight time with 2 batteries provides extended flying sessions, reducing interruptions for recharging. This drone excels at nighttime photography, with a dedicated night mode that captures breathtaking visuals even in low-light conditions. Intelligent GPS flight modes such as Follow Me, Orbit, and Waypoint planning make it easy to capture dynamic and cinematic shots. The 10,000-foot transmission range ensures a stable and reliable connection, enhancing the overall flying experience. Beginners will appreciate the clear app interface, responsive controls, and seamless operation. With powerful features, stable flight performance, and top-notch customer support, the Ruko F11Pro offers exceptional value for creative aerial exploration. Number 2. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a game-changer for drone enthusiasts looking for a professional, high-quality flying experience. Equipped with a Hasselblad 4x3 CMOS sensor and a 48-megapixel camera, it delivers stunning 4K and 5.1K video with exceptional clarity and dynamic range. The 20-megapixel RAW photo capability allows for incredible detail and vibrant colors, making it perfect for photographers and videographers. Its 43-minute flight time offers ample time to capture breathtaking aerial footage, while the 15-kilometer HD video transmission ensures that you can fly further without losing signal. The omnidirectional obstacle sensing and APAS 5.0 provide enhanced safety, making it easier to navigate through tight spaces. The included DJI RC is easy to use, providing a seamless flying experience with a 700 net brightness for excellent visibility. Additionally, the drone's FAA remote ID compliance ensures it meets necessary regulations. Whether you're a seasoned pro or an advanced hobbyist, the Mavic 3 Pro offers unmatched performance, camera quality, and safety features, making it a must-have for serious drone pilots. Number 1. The DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus is a standout drone for both beginners and more experienced users. It strikes the perfect balance between ease of use and advanced features, making it ideal for anyone looking to explore drone photography or videography. The 4K video quality is impressive, capturing sharp, vibrant footage, and the 48-megapixel stills ensure incredible detail. With 3 intelligent flight batteries, you can enjoy up to 135 minutes of flight time, which is a huge benefit for long aerial sessions without constantly changing batteries. The omnidirectional obstacle sensing offers extra peace of mind, ensuring safe flights even for first-time users. Features like Active Shot's 360-degree tracking make it easier to capture cinematic shots, and the one-button return simplifies landing. The drone is lightweight, foldable, and easy to transport, perfect for taking on trips. While the build feels a bit plasticky, the drone performs exceptionally well in the air, handling wind and longer flights with ease. The Fly More combo is worth the investment for extended flight times and added convenience. This drone is highly recommended for anyone seeking high-quality footage in a user-friendly package. Links in the description. Thanks for watching our roundup of the best drones for 2025. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, there's something for everyone. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tech reviews and drone tips. Drop a comment below with your favorite pick or any questions you have. Fly high and see you in the next video.